This is Sudhakar. I think you are all safe. Be careful with corona. Now, I would like to teach about population. Now, introduction of the population. Population is developed the claim. Population defined as a group of individuals of the same species living and interbreeding within a given area. It is essential for planning purpose. Any country needs to know the size and composition of this population around age and sex structure among other factors. Population is pivotal elements in social studies. Now, importance of the population. Population is one of the important factors. It helps to balance the environment. Population should in a balance with the means of resources. The size of the population in always changing in response to fertility, mortality, and migration. Now, children, what is the advantages of the population? Growing population can generate products and services such as food, clothing, and education. And growth generate new jobs, income, tax revenue, and rises property value. Population is in optimum level of government can maintain good standards of citizens. Government may provide good health and hygienic conditions and also quality of education. It gives good employment opportunities and improve per capita income. Now, children, disadvantages of the population. Actually, the optimum level of population is always desired if it increases, causes per capita income, low standards of life. Now, it also burdens to the government to create minimum facilities like health and education. Overpopulation can also affect food grains and cultivation of land, which decreases the standards of livelihood. Next, the population affects the environment. It leads to losses of biodiversity, air and water pollution, increased pressure on land, deforestation, and overgrazing by the growing population has led to land degradation and unemployment rapid increasing. Now, children, low per capita income, low quality of life, population growth is considered as a basic for all problems that we face. Overpopulation is a burden to the government to provide minimum facilities for the citizens. Now, Data about population. The present world population is 7.9 billions. Expected population in 2050 is 9.7 billions. Asia is the highest population continent in the world. The highest population country in the world is China, followed by India. Antarctica is the lowest population continent in the world. Vatican City is the lowest population country in the world. Now, top 8 highest population countries in the world, that is China, India, United States of America, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Russia, Mexico, etc. Now, World Population Day celebrated in July 11th at every year. Data about population in India. In India, first complete census was started in 1881. Highest population state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Highest density population state in India, that is West Bengal. And lowest population state in India, Sikkim. Lowest density population state in India, that is northeastern state, Arunachal Pradesh. Now, highest female population state, Kerala. Lowest female population state, that is Haryana. Overall male percentage in India, 52%, and overall female percentage in India, 48%. Now children, population calculated for every 10 years. According to 2011 census, India's population 121 crores 5 lakhs 69,573. According to 2021 census, India population 1.3 billions. In India, father of census, Henry Walter, he is the father of census in India. The first census held in India after independence 1951. Actually, overall sex ratio in India 943 female for 1000 male. Now, highest density and population union territory, New Delhi. Lowest population union territory, Lakshadweep Islands. And lowest density population union territory, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now, concluding children, anyhow, population is better to maintain optimum level of population, which helps and leads the country for the all-round development. Now children, Note these important points on your notebook. Don't forget. Thank you for watching.